Greeting everyone. So in this video, I want to teach you how to use the VLookUp function using a Google Spreadsheet. So I want to extract the item name for the item ID MI798 in this data. So the format we're gonna use is equal. Then you want to press VLookUp here, and the first setting you want to put is the search key. So the search key for our item is the item ID, so you want to choose this, then put comma there. The second thing is the range, so this is our range we want to look up, then press comma. Then the third one is the index, so you want to imagine that this is the first column, this is the second, third, and fourth. So for the index, the item ID here is in the second column, so you want to put there 2 and press comma. And the last one is it sorted? So in this case it is not sorted, so you want to press the false. Then close the bracket and press enter. So as you can see, the item name for the item ID MI798 is microphone. So this is how you use the VLookUp using Google Spreadsheet. So I'm gonna give you another example. So I'm gonna choose for item ID FI232. So we use the same way. Press equal VLookUp open bracket, and the first thing is the search key. So this is our search key. Press comma, and the range is from here to here. Press comma. The index is the item name is in the second column, so I'm gonna press 2 there. Click comma, then the last one is it sorted? So in this case this is not sorted, so I'm gonna click false there, close the bracket and press enter. So as you can see, the item name for FI232 is the film. So that's it. That's how you use a VLookUp function in using a Google Spreadsheet. So this is from me. Thank you everyone.